Hello everyone! I was really curious about the sound comparison of these two insane motorcycles. So I decided to make a short video comparing the Kawasaki ZX6R and the BMW S1000RR, a true superbike sound battle. My YouTube channel is still very new, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video. Thank you and enjoy watching. Now, if you're ready, let's first listen to the Kawasaki ZX6R. If you are ready now, let's listen to the BMW S1000RR motorcycle. You've just listened to the sounds of the Kawasaki ZX6R and the BMW S1000RR Superbikes. Which one do you think sounds better? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.